guys, in this video I will explain to you about hotkeys and hotstrings on AHK. What is a hotkey? A hotkey is a key that is hot to the touch. Just kidding. It is a key or key combination that the person at the keyboard presses to trigger some actions. For example, by pressing Ctrl+H, a message box will appear that says "Help me." What is a hotstring? Hotstrings are mainly used to expand abbreviations as you type them, or auto-replace. They can also be used to launch any scripted action. The difference between the two examples is that the hotkey will be triggered when you press Ctrl+A, while the hotstring will convert your typed H and M into "Help me." So, how exactly does a person such as myself create a hotkey? Good question. A hotkey is created by using a single pair of colons. The key or key combo needs to go on the left of the double colon, and the content needs to go below, followed by return. A hotstring has a pair of colons on each side of the text you want to trigger the text replacement, while the text to replace your typed text goes on the right of the second pair of colons. Hotstrings, as mentioned before, can also launch scripted actions. That's fancy talk for do pretty much anything. Same with hotkeys. A nice thing to know is that you can have many lines of code for each hotkey, hotstring, label, and a lot of other things we haven't talked about yet. Nice, isn't it? Now we try to implement it in AHK. The script that I created has been compiled into a file with an X extension. Now I will try to run the program. Watch carefully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video can be useful for you. See you in another video.